Alright, so here we are at the battlequestions.com homepage, and today I'm going to be showing you how to print quizzes for your students. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and log in. And once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and click on the tab entitled Questions and Quizzes. And that's going to bring up your package that you've purchased. I have the North Carolina Middle School package, but you may have the Florida Elementary or any other package available on our website. My kids have read the first 5 books, so I'm going to go ahead and select those. We can name the quiz, so I'll just do 5 books on, I'm going to give this to them on Tuesday, so tomorrow, the 16th. Can't believe it's already 2018. I'm going to do 30 questions, and it's going to give me a good variety of questions. I'm going to go ahead and show you the question type, so both content and in which book. I'm going to keep all levels of questions. That's easy as level 1, intermediate level 2, and level 3 is expert. So instead of hitting take online quiz now, we're going to go ahead and click print quiz. And 2 tabs are going to pop up. One is the quiz as it will appear to your students when it's printed out, and the other is the answers. So for the first question, in which book was a young man's vision blurred by a scratched lens, but he could still see the men who were laying in front of him? So the answer is Airman, and page 324 is where we can reference that answer. And so it's going to continue to do that for all the answers. This is what the quiz will appear as a student. And so we see that we have a good mixture of in which book questions as well as content questions that will appear as multiple choice. Now, if I just wanted to do content questions, I would select content questions. I'm going to keep everything else the same. Print quiz. Again, you're going to have the 2 tabs pop up with the quiz as it'll appear to your students, and then the quiz answers. Again, with the answer and the page number that you can reference for the correct answer. And then for in which book, we do the same exact thing. Select in which book only, print quiz, and you will have the 2 tabs with the quiz and the quiz answers. Now keep in mind that if this is your first time printing a quiz, you may have something pop up in the right-hand corner for the blockers, the pop-up blockers, and all you have to do is hit allow pop-up for battlequestions.com, and it'll never ask you again, and you'll never have any issues. So if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 919-623-7346 or email us at info@battlequestions.com. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.